When it's not full, you can't check anymore.
My cell phone got a 16 gigabyte memory.
Which one?
Internal memory. This one. 16
How about
gig.
your phone?
Yeah.
We're
How about that?
moving along with technology.
Yeah.
I haven't even seen the MP4 stuff yet.
MP4?
Yeah.
You don't see?
I do see it, but I haven't had time to sit down and study it.
There's an MP4 there.
Mm.
The Taytay. You see the King.
Yeah.
It's much cheaper because it's China.
That's the way it's stuck in my car.
Yeah, but I should have told him to ring him back.
This is where I'm trying to get my journalism course.
This place.
Yeah, this
what's it
school.
called? University or college?
No, it is a university, but this school there is only a college. Every town has its own college,
Yeah.
and all of them is a university.
Mm.
Every time he talks with effing.
Are you sure we're going in Taytay?
Paikot ulit.
Abang card yun. SM Advantage.
Ang laki.
Sana akin na lang. Ah, meron ka pala eh.
Hindi ko sinabi eh. Ilaw ko pala sa alam ko anong card yan.
Mamali ko ba, baka laki ko bang may ganun ka?
Yung si Ate Michelle, laging nagagamit yung SM Advantage na. Binigyan siya ng credit card ng BDO. Ngayon, tinakbuhan niya. akala siguro ng BDO, bang yaman ni Ate Michelle. Pero pag namimili sila Tita Julie, no, 5,000, 10,000.
5,000?
15,000, misa 25 eh. Tapos oh, after a month, dumating yung credit card, yes, kagad siya. Tapos tinakbuhan niya.
Dalawang credit card yung tinakbuhan niya.
Hindi, yung credit card na isa, yun yung issue sa kanya. Talaga, yun yung sa, ano yan.
Ibang, what's the temperature at the moment?
Temperature?
Let's see.